I said, what is the typical amount of money on a 100-unit deal on due diligence expense once the LOI is accepted?
I put $50 per door. You can put $100 per door in there to be conservative. If your property management company and you have created a relationship and they know you're a serious player, and they will, because between you and your sponsor, they're going to realize we're creating a relationship here. I want to say, what do they charge us? $25 a door? If anything, a property management company will be in that $25 per door. And I have no problem with them even charging $50 a door, as long as I get vendors out there. And sometimes your vendor for the roof might charge to do the walk. Your vendor for the AC might charge to do the walk. Again, electrical guy, I have no problem paying for those professionals. I think all in all, the $25 a door, $2,500 or up to $5,000, and that's what $50 a door buys me, pays for a $400 roof inspection, a $300 AC inspection, a $25 a door my property manager wants. I haven't had it exceed that in quite some time, David. I was told to use $100 a door way back when, but as we've come up in this industry, I have not needed to spend that a long time.